Hi, Buster is all excited today because we're going to read a story about trucks. And this one is by Stephen Savage and it's called Super Truck. What do you think, Buster? Is that the Super Truck on the cover? Let's open up and find out. Super Truck. The city is full of brave trucks. There's the city, and look at the trucks. Everywhere. Trucks as far as you can see. What do you think, Buster? You like trucks. Oh, what's going on here? The bucket truck fixes a power line. Look at that, Buster. There's the bucket truck, and he's got the bucket all the way up to the power line, and it looks like it's got sparks coming from it, so it's got trouble. What's this? This looks like the fire truck, and he's spraying water on a fire. The fire truck puts out a blaze. Wow, that's pretty important work, huh, Buster? Oh, what's going on here? The tow truck rescues a bus, and the bus is in trouble. And there's the tow truck, towing him away. What do we got here? Oh, the garbage truck, well, he just collects garbage. Yeah, there he is in the back alley, getting a dumpster. What's going on? Uh-oh. One evening, it started snowing. Got the snow falling in the city. It snows and snows and snows. Uh-oh. Look at the trucks. The city is caught in a terrible blizzard. The trucks, Buster, can't go anywheres. What are we going to do? What's going on here? Just then, the garbage truck sneaks into a garage and becomes... What do you think he's going to become, Buster? You think? You're right. Super Truck. There he is, and it looks like he's got a snowplow and headlights to see through the snow. Yep, there he goes. He digs out the west side. He digs out the east side. He digs out the whole city. Hooray for Super Truck! Look, he's plowing paths around all the other trucks. They stick together. The next morning, the trucks wonder about the mighty truck who saved them. Where could he be? Where is that hero Super Truck? Wait a minute. That looks like him right there, but there's no plow anymore. He's gone back to being a garbage truck. He's just collecting the trash. And there he is with a dumpster, dumping all the trash in the back. Not a superhero anymore. There he is. The end. Pretty good story, eh, Buster?